excited to meet you again. So in this video, I want to show you how to make chicken stir fry. First, you're gonna need onion. It's very easy to cook this chicken stir fry, and you don't need too much ingredients to cook this dish. And of course, chicken. For seasoning, you can add salt or soy sauce, and then white pepper powder, oyster sauce, cover it for a while so the chicken will done very well. Then you can add any vegetable that you want to make it look more fresh and more healthy, of course. You can enjoy this chicken stir fry with rice or with porridge. In the next video, I will show you how to make rice porridge. So I think it's enough. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.